Hi, I'm Tinging.
And I'm Phoebe. Today we will be introducing the Miniature Gas Pressure Regulator, or MGPR for short.
Fuel cells generally require a low pressure input of less than 1 bar gauge pressure. Yet, for portable long-endurance hydrogen fuel cell applications, it is common that we store compressed hydrogen gas in carbon fiber cylinders under high pressure.
To deliver high gas flow rate at a stable output pressure, we want a small and lightweight gas pressure regulator.
The MGPR is a compact and lightweight device weighing just 250 grams. It takes in high-pressure gas of up to 438 bar and delivers a stable outlet pressure that can be factory set between 0.4 to 2 bar, making it ideal for hydrogen fuel cell applications.
It also comes with an integrated gas pressure transducer that allows the user to accurately monitor the remaining fuel pressure in the gas cylinder in real time. It connects to the gas cylinder using an M18x1.5 thread, which is common for most portable carbon fiber cylinders, including the ones from Spectronik. We offer Type 3 hydrogen gas cylinders in various sizes ranging from 3.5 to 20 liter water volume, which can be found in the description below.
The MGPR delivers a high flow rate of up to 70 liters per minute. This means that it can easily support the continuous hydrogen consumption of a 4 kilowatt fuel cell system. This high flow rate is achieved at a continuous preset stable output pressure, allowing for optimal hydrogen gas pressure delivery to the fuel cell at all times.
If you purchase a Spectronik fuel cell, you can connect the integrated gas pressure transducer to the fuel cell electronic controller and monitor the gas tank pressure live from the Spectronik fuel cell data acquisition GUI. Alternatively, you can opt to create your own circuit to power the gas pressure transducer and convert its output signal into gas pressure readings. When you purchase the MGPR, a refueling kit is also included in your package. It comprises a 2-meter stainless steel hose, and adapter for ease of refilling your carbon fiber cylinder with hydrogen gas from industrial gas tank source.
The MGPR can also be used directly without the carbon fiber cylinder. Use the cylinder blocker to seal the M18x1.5 thread. Turn on your hydrogen gas supply, followed by the MGPR on-off valve. Hydrogen gas will flow directly from your source through the refueling kit and exit through the regulated low-pressure outlet. This way, the MGPR can be used not just for portable applications, but as a benchtop lab equipment as well.
With these features and functions, the MGPR is undoubtedly the best pressure regulator in the market for portable hydrogen fuel cell applications.
To find out more about the MGPR and the carbon fiber cylinder, do check out the links in the description below. They are available for purchase directly from Spectronik's online shop with free shipping worldwide.
That's all for today's product review. Do subscribe to our channel for more hydrogen fuel cell related content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.